Hi everyone, I'm Ivan Robles from the Information Group of the Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development of the Department of Science and Technology here in the Philippines. I am currently taking my PhD at the University of the Philippines Diliman College of Media and Communication. I'm excited to be part of the PCST scientific community, and I'm looking forward to working with all of you in the network. As the head of the information group of our council, my work mainly focuses on leading the communication strategies to reach our target audiences here in the Philippines and the world. I also lead in providing support to science communication in the Philippines through funding, facilitating collaboration, and policy recommendations. Over the past few years, I've had a chance to lead collaborative efforts with private and public stakeholders in bringing results of research and development closer to the people, implementing science communication campaigns across different platforms, and leading the implementation of a science communication roadmap that provides the direction of where the field will go in the Philippines. What really drives me in is my firm belief that science communication saves lives. As a country that is hit by some sort of natural disaster, science communication is a big part in ensuring that critical information reaches its target audience as needed. I love being in spaces where research meets practice and where you can see real change in how people engage with science and technology. As part of PCST, I hope that I can share to the members my 25-year experience of doing science communication. I am open to collaboration and encourage our members to reach out and let's talk. I wish that PCST continue to bring to being a welcoming global community where we can learn from one another and push the boundaries of what science communication can be. Mabuhay.